been such a long time since I have vlogged. I have had a lot going on, honestly, a lot that I could have vlogged, but nothing that I felt compelled to, you know, do the whole thing. But in a few days, I am going to Japan for my first major competition in almost 4 years, which is like mind-blowing to me because it doesn't feel like that much time has gone by, and it certainly doesn't feel like that much has changed, but also at the same time everything has changed. Especially this little cutie right here. There's the dog in the way here. So it's going to be so special. Today I have a full day of packing and training and just getting ready, because tomorrow I'm just going to hang out and, you know, make the final arrangements, make sure I haven't forgotten anything. But it's really special because usually when I compete I go by myself, and this time Ryan and my baby girl Athena are coming. They're going to follow me a week later, so I'm going to go there, train, get acclimated, and then they're going to come the following week. So I've been packing here and there for them. So today I'm going to pack their bags and my bags, just because I'm nervous. I'm really nervous that they're going to be traveling all the way to Japan by themselves. Especially I want Athena to have everything that she might need for any situation. You know, helps me put my mind at ease. So I like to start off by folding and putting all my clothes on my bed. I usually have a list on my phone that I follow, and I just like this method because it helps me organize all my stuff and also see exactly what I have to pack. So I'll put it in categories of like jackets and athletic wear and non-athletic wear and pants and shorts, just so I can count how many pairs of things I have, and that way I know that I won't run out while I'm away. And it's easy to transfer into the bag because I already have it all folded. I can just arrange it and put it in just like that. There we have it. Pretty much everything is packed, at least that I could remember from the top of my head. And over here we have my carry-on bag. I feel like my bag is not that full, so I'm a little nervous that I've forgotten something. Like, I have this whole extra area right here. But I guess I can take more souvenirs home. But yeah, thank you guys for joining me on my packing journey. I leave Sunday morning, early in the morning. I hope to vlog more while I'm there, give you a little bit of an insight into my day-to-day, what Japan's like. I've never been before, so I'm super excited to go and, you know, share that experience with my family. My mum's also going to be there, so I'm really excited to see her. She came to the States in December, so I haven't seen her in about half a year. Also special, Ryan and I will be sharing our 2-year wedding anniversary in Japan, which is pretty cool, and we both love sushi and ramen, so definitely we'll be going out to eat some of that. But anyway, thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any suggestions for content creation, because I'm kind of in a creative rut. It's pretty hard to come up with videos all the time. Anyway, love you guys.